Today I had a great photo shoot on the sunrise with my friend Lena, and I did a little bit different version of this bra on her, and then I did my version of the bra on myself. And why they... Hello everybody, this is Anastasia from Voudou.ropes, and I hope that today you are ready to tie something really pretty. Today we are going to be tying a rope bra, but first I'm going to show you how to tie a simple base for it, and then you will be able to go into any difficulty you want from that base. If you still haven't done it yet, take a look at my free Shibari course, link below. You can click there and leave your email and I will send you the free course so you can learn Shibari step by step. Okay, let's do it. For this harness we need 2 ropes. For the base, 1, and for all the weaving that will be going on, another 1. And these ropes are both 8 meters long. 8 meters, 8 meters. Okay, let's go. Let's get this out of here. And now I need to grab a middle of my rope, wrap it around, and then I have a little loop here. I pass my rope through. Like this. And then I need to make sure that this thing is in the middle but in the back. So I'm going here to the back. Make this pretty tight, but not too tight. Make sure this is in the back, in the middle. It is in the middle. Okay, good. And then I pull it up to the shoulder like this. So now I come back here. So this knot is called probably a cowbell knot. I'm going to put this rope on the top here, and then go around this line here, like this. Pull this a little bit up so it creates a nice line. Then I go to the side, then I just go down. That's it. Just make sure everything's tight. Okay, because if it's not tight, then it's not going to be very good and easy to tie. It's going to be really hard to tie if your ropes are loose on this one, okay? Just make sure that you can breathe through this one, and then everything's going to be okay. So here, this line could be a little bit tighter, so I'm going to adjust this and make this a bit tighter. So now, what I need to do is grab this rope and make some space here, and I put this rope in here. So let's grab this, and it comes out just like this, real simple. Here, this goes down, and this goes up. Here we go. So now I got a pretty knot here, and this goes up. Need to be careful because we want the back to be okay looking, okay? Don't hope for it to look really pretty, but let's just try to go for okay at least. So I go to the opposite side. I pull the whole rope through. And then, since the rope is from this side, I'm moving in this direction. So I apply some counter tension. Okay. So this knot here is going to be a 1/2 inch. So I go over this rope, over, then I go around it like this, around, I pull on this a little bit, just a little bit to the side. Make sure this is tight too. Then we go up here. From here I'm going to the back. In the back again, opposite side here. And now I need to go this way because I came out from here, right? So I need to change this. I'm going to go to the other side, and then I'm going to catch this rope here and make it go down. So now I can go this way. I changed the direction of rope. Okay, so I go here this way, and I do the same thing on this side. So I need to go over, then around, take the whole rope out at this point, make this a little bit more open, make sure they're in the same place. In the same place? Yes, in the same place. This goes up, just like this. So now we come from this side, so we need to place the rope on the opposite side. So I go here, I grab it from that side, and here, up to you how to finish this. You could wrap it around, you can make a little snake going up like I do in the Naughty Girl. So for now, I'll just do some tying in the back. So this is the simple harness, the really good base for a rope bra, whatever rope bra you want to make. And I hope that this was helpful. And if you want to see the actual bra making, you can keep watching. Actually, today I had a great photo shoot on the sunrise with my friend Lena. You can see the photos here, and I did a little bit different version of this bra on her, my version of the bra on myself. And why they are different? Well, they are different because we are different. On her, my version wouldn't hold anything. This is why I had to change it a little bit and make it fit the wider size, let's say. So I will show you how to make both of them, because they're very, very simple. It's not like one is harder than another one. They both kind of simple. So let's do it. Okay, so for the bra, you will need one extra rope. Let's do it. Here is the one extra rope, and I am going to open this, of course. Let's open this rope. And now I have my ends and my middle. And now I'm going to find the middle of all this. This is not extremely easy, right? So if you are somewhere lost at this point, then maybe you need to go back to some easier videos and rewatch that, so you make sure that you are not pushing yourself too hard today. So I really don't want anybody to be discouraged by the difficulty level, because you'll get there. It's just, if right now it's not happening, it doesn't mean that it will never happen. It just means that you need time, you need practice, and you will get there. Just take your time, and maybe my free course right here, link below. Let's continue. And I need to place this in the back here and grab this rope and pull this through. So I know that I am holding my middle with one hand. So now I'm going to cross them and go to the front. Now in the front, I'm going to work with one side. So from one side, I'm going to start from the upper line. I'm going to make a half hitch here. So this one, I start the same way. I go around this line here. And then from here, what I'm going to do is a little bit different. I'm not going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm going to go to this line here and then back down. And then this could go that way. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this rope bra tutorial. And me and Tony are wishing you a great tying. If you would like to see more of in-depth tutorials, you can check out my Patreon. Also, I have some Shibari sessions there that I never post anywhere else because that stuff would be banned. Absolutely, for sure. So if you want to see some fun stuff, go check it out. Bye bye, friends.